To organize posts on your website and improve SEO, you should create categories for your posts and add tags. In this video lesson, I will show you how to do that. Let's get started. As you can see, I am on the WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar menu, click on Posts. From the flyout submenu that appears, click on Categories. Once the Categories page loads, you will see the Add New Category form on the left side of the screen. Click inside the name field and type your desired category title, like WordPress. Next, click inside the slug field and enter the URL-friendly version of the name in lowercase, like WordPress. Keep this drop-down menu set to none if this is going to be a main category. Now move to the description text box and type a short summary of what the category covers, like all WordPress tutorials. Then click the blue Add New Category button at the bottom of the form. The new category will immediately appear in the table on the right side of the page. Now let's assign this category to a post. Go back to the left sidebar menu, click on Posts, and then click on All Posts. Find the post you want to edit, like this test post. Click the edit link under the title to open the WordPress block editor. Now look at the right-hand sidebar panel. If it is closed, open it by clicking this button. Make sure the Post tab is selected. Next to Block, scroll down the panel and click on the Categories section to expand its options. If the default unconjugated box is selected, uncheck it, then check the box next to your newly created category, which is WordPress. You can also create a new category directly from here to improve SEO, which means improving your chances of appearing in search results on platforms like Google. It is also a good idea to add tags to your post. You can add tags in the tags section by selecting them from the existing auto-suggestions or by typing a tag name and pressing Enter. Now, what if you want to delete unnecessary categories? For that, navigate back to Posts, then Categories from the dashboard. Look at the category table on the right side of the screen. Hover your mouse cursor over the category you want to remove. A small submenu will appear directly below the category name. Click the red Delete link. A browser confirmation dialog box will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items from your site?" This action cannot be undone. Click OK to confirm the deletion. So, that's how you add categories to posts in WordPress. In the next and final lesson of this WordPress beginner tutorial series, we will explore how to add plugins in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to attempt the quiz for this lesson. Take care, and bye.